Hello everyone. Is your car shifting erratically or struggling to change gears smoothly? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0789 Shift Timing Solenoid Intermittent, it means your transmission solenoid is sending inconsistent signals, which can lead to harsh shifting, slipping gears, or even limp mode. Ignoring this can cause long-term transmission damage, but don't worry, I'll explain what P0789 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors and components to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0789? The P0789 trouble code appears when the transmission control module, TCM, detects an intermittent electrical signal in the shift solenoid circuit. This inconsistency can cause random gear shifts and transmission issues. Symptoms of P0789 include erratic or delayed shifting, harsh engagement when shifting gears, transmission slipping or stuck in one gear. Check engine light and transmission warning light on. Poor acceleration and reduced fuel efficiency. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the main sensors and components responsible for P0789. To diagnose P0789, check these critical components. Shift solenoid, solenoid D. Location, inside the transmission valve body under the transmission fluid pan. Function, controls hydraulic pressure for smooth gear shifting. Transmission control module, TCM, powertrain control module, PCM. Location, mounted on the transmission housing or near the engine firewall. Function, sends electrical signals to activate shift solenoids. Transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS. Location, on the side of the transmission near the valve body. Function, measures hydraulic pressure inside the transmission system. Input and output speed sensors, ISS, OSS. Location, found on the transmission housing near the input and output shafts. Function, helps the PCM determine proper shifting timing, wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the shift solenoids, sensors, and PCM-TCM. Function, transfers electrical signals. Damaged wiring can cause intermittent shifting problems. Common causes of P0789. Faulty shift solenoid, solenoid D, causing intermittent shifting issues. Low or dirty transmission fluid, can affect hydraulic pressure and solenoid function. Transmission control module, TCM, malfunction, sending erratic signals to the solenoid. Failing transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS. Incorrect pressure readings lead to shifting problems. Damaged or loose wiring connectors can cause intermittent signal loss. Blocked transmission valve body, restricts fluid flow affecting shifts. How to fix P0789. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect the shift solenoid, solenoid D. Use a multimeter to test for intermittent voltage drops. Step 3. Test the transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS. Make sure it's sending accurate readings. Step 4. Check wiring and connectors. Look for any damaged, corroded, or loose connections. Step 5. Scan the transmission control module, TCM. Reprogram or replace if needed. Step 6. Inspect the transmission valve body. Clean or replace if clogged. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check performance. A P0789 shift solenoid issue can cause erratic shifting and long-term transmission problems. Checking solenoid sensors, wiring, and fluid levels is the key to fixing this error. Watch these related videos next. P0444, EVAP. Purge control circuit open, P0445, EVAP, purge control circuit shorted. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.